Welcome to Denny's Roofing, LLC, your trusted roofing company in Greeley. If you're in need of a roof replacement in Greeley, Colorado, you've come to the right place. At Denny's Roofing, LLC, we understand the importance of having a sturdy and well-maintained roof over your head. That's why we offer expert roof replacement in Greeley, Colorado, to ensure your home is safe and secure. Our team has years of experience in roof replacement, and we use only the best materials to ensure a long-lasting and reliable roof. Our professional roofers are dedicated to giving both homes and businesses high-quality roofing services. Our team is dedicated to ensuring that your roofing project is completed efficiently and effectively, with minimal disruption to your daily routine. We pride ourselves on our attention to detail and commitment to customer satisfaction. At Denny's Roofing, LLC, we are passionate about delivering high-quality roofing solutions to our clients. Don't wait until it's too late. If you suspect that your roof needs to be replaced, give us a call today at 970-545-0099 to schedule a consultation. You can also visit our website at www.dennysroofingllc.com/Greeley-roofing-company to learn more about our services and get a free quote. Count on us to provide top-notch roof replacement in Greeley, Colorado.